Hey guys, we're introducing a new series called Pro Shots. What it is we do like stuff like sports related, where we do extreme stunts with sports like football or baseball or basketball or tennis, but not golf. We can't do golf, so we're not gonna do that. But we'll do like extreme stunts, like how far can you throw a football, or how long will it be until you make 20 hoops? Stuff like that. So introducing Pro Shots. The new series will come up on this channel May 9th, which is tomorrow. Well, actually, no. It'll come up May 13th. So stick around for May 13th and you will see Pro Shots. It will be me, Colby. You don't know who he is. He's my cousin. And Jason, you don't know who he is. Well, you might know Jason Reeder. He is also my cousin. So, yeah. And certain occasions, we'll also have Ben, a.k.a. his YouTube channel, Benjamin Fortescue. And sometimes we'll have James, or a.k.a. James Haynes, on his YouTube channel. So, yeah, that's pretty much all I want to say. Anyway, introducing Pro Shots May 13th. Stay tuned for that.